This is the welcome page of Edupreneur. The homepage highlights two key features: seamless communication for teachers, students, as well as parents to share updates and resources, and comprehensive student management, permitting faculty to track progress and attendance efficiently. Here comes our About Us page. This page highlights Edupreneur's commitment to their mission and vision. They are committed to transforming education and making a lasting impact on the future of learning. Now, next is our Contact Us page. This page offers a straightforward way for users to reach Edupreneurs with any questions, feedback, or complaints they might have about the platform. Additionally, there is a section with the frequently asked questions addressing common concern. Now we will further continue to our next page, which is sign up page. Here comes our sign up page. This page encourages users to join the Edupreneurs community by creating the free account. It's simple process. Users provide their name, email address, and create a password. This registration allows them to access the platform's feature. This page offers a breakdown of Edupreneur subscription packages. User can choose the package that suits their needs and budget based on the number of students, parental access, and features. As we can see, teacher log in with the basic package subscription with a unique subject code. Here we can see the package name, maximum number of student, and class code. Now we will move to the student login part. Here student will provide their name and email address to join our platform. Here the student will join the class using the code provided by their teacher. As you can see, the student joined to the platform. Now we will see how parents will participate in this platform. Parents will provide their name and email address and create their password to join this Edupreneur site. Here, the parents will use their children email address and class code to join the class. As you can see, the parents has joined the class. Here is another example of a student joining our platform. Here is another example of a parents joining our platform. Now let's witness how Edupreneurs bring it all together. Here we will see the teacher's dashboard providing a centralized hub for managing classes. Teachers can accept or reject student and parent requests and add notes and study material and track student performance through the student parent section. In student parent section, teacher can mark absent and present to track the attendance record. Teachers can also fill up the marks of the students and track their percentage. We also have the message section where teachers can message to their students and they as well as their parents. This is the student dashboard. It provides student with a personalized access to attendance record, marks, notes, study material and messages from their teachers. They can also send message to their teacher to seek clarification or ask questions. As you can see, the message is sent to the teacher. Finally, we have the parents dashboard, giving a parents a clear view of their children's academic progress and communication with the teacher. Parent can view attendance, marks and messages from the teacher, and they can also send message to the teacher to address any concern they may have. You can see here the attendance record, average marks. Here's another example of a student, the attendance record, marks, messages from teachers, etc. That's all we have to offer for now. But as entrepreneurs, we are always open to updates and enhancement to make our platform more interactive in future. Thank you.